So I know I look crazy right now. One, I just woke up from my nap, and two, I'm taking out my braids, so it looks like I got little lizards on the back of my neck. But so welcome back to my channel. This is like my second time recording this intro, so I hope this time, why is it cutting like that? Oh, I hope this time around I get my words right. My brain is like still waking up because, like I said, I just took a nap. But today's video, we're gonna be taking care of my hair. I have not been doing right by my hair. Like, I've just been putting her up, putting her away, and not like really taking care of it, you know? Like, you could put it in a million protective styles or whatever you need to do, but if you're not, you know, moisturizing and deep conditioning, all that, you're not really doing nothing. And that's what I need to do because my hair is screaming. Like, ugh, I can just feel it. Like, it just needs some help. And also, I haven't worn like my hair in its natural state since like January. It's freaking April. I look like Bow Wow. Don't. Anyways, yeah, so that's what we're doing for today's video. I'm actually really excited because I haven't taken care of my hair in a really long time, and I just like, I don't know, like, I just want to let my hair breathe. And it's been a minute since I've done that. So of course, first things first, we gotta start by taking these braids out. These braids were actually really cute. They were like one of my favorite styles I've got, but I don't know if you can see the edges. They look crazy. Yeah, doing little swirls every freaking morning. One, it took a long time. Two, I didn't really know how to do it. So yeah, it was just not it. Like, I wanted to take them out sooner just because of the fact that the swirls were so complicated for me. But I stuck it out. I mean, I've only had them in for 2 weeks, but I wanted to cut them like quicker than that. I wanted to take them out last week, but I didn't want to do my hair last week, so that's another reason why I've really been needing to take care of my hair, like, really bad. And I bought new products and everything. Like, I'm not playing my hair. We're gonna do the deep condition. I'm even gonna style it. I have not done a wash and go in forever, so we're gonna see how that goes. Also, so I got my hair straightened like 2 times this year. No, actually, yeah, 2 times. I got it done 2 times this year. I don't straighten my hair on a regular, and I haven't straightened it in, like, the last time I got it straightened was 2020. Yeah, so I got my hair straightened, and the second time I got it straightened, when I washed it, I had heat damage. So disappointing. I don't even think it was heat damage. I just think that I went to the Dominican salon, and, you know, they put stuff in their products, and I forgot to bring my own products. So I think whatever they use in their products for thick hair like mine loosened up my curls. Like, it wasn't bad, but it was noticeable. I mean, and it's definitely something that I can revert. Like, it's not too crazy, thank God. But I was like, girl, all that work. And I got like it looks weird too, because it's like certain places in my head have it and certain places don't. Like, I have some in the back that was like really loose. Around my edges were really loose. Yeah, I'm not going back to them. For now, I'm just gonna start doing my own hair. I don't even know why I thought I could take that risk, because the reason I stopped going to them in the first place was because they were putting products in their I mean, yeah, they were putting like chemicals in their products that was damaging my hair. But I was like, let me just try again anyway, just to see if it was still a thing. And it was. So yeah, can't trust that. So, but I'm gonna just speed through this because I want to watch my show, and then I'll see you guys when I have to wash my hair. Ouch. I'm not gonna lie, this heat damage might be a little bit more concerning than I thought it was. I know, like, I'm just taking out my braids, but you can see what is curling up and what is not. Like, these are just legit straight. Like, they're just straight pieces. And I'm like putting conditioner and water in my hair, so it shouldn't. I'm putting conditioner and water in my hair, so like it should, like part of my hair is reverting. But what about these straight pieces right here? Did I make a complete mistake by going to get one washing set? Like, this is literally my second washing set in 2 years, and now I have to pay for it again. Bro, like, bro, it's not, like, I don't know if it's because I have gel in it. I mean, I guess we'll just see when I wash it. But, dude, there's no way my hair is just completely straight like that. Oh, I know y'all see that. I'm not even gonna cry about it because that would be crazy. But like when I washed it last time, I didn't have that much heat damage. Like, my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Alright, so I finished taking out my hair. Can you see, like, it's just not, I'm like really hoping that when I wash it I have my curls back, because right now it's not here. They not popping up for me like they should. But I'm gonna go wash it and then we're gonna deep condition it and we're gonna see what it looks like after all of that. Hopefully, there's so much gel in like this one part. Hopefully my curls come back to life and I got me a pop and wash and go, because that is the goal, to see what my curls look like. I haven't worn my hair curly since January. That's really crazy. It's April. All right, let's go.
All right, y'all, first things first, fun fact, I have low porosity hair, so I have to drench my hair. But I am using the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream line for this wash day. I started out with the shampoo, which I must say it has really good slip and it doesn't strip your hair away of its natural oils. I find that most shampoos leave my hair feeling like weird and just, I don't know, it just takes away all the moisture in my hair. But this one leaves a nice amount of moisture in your hair, but also makes your hair feel really clean. After I rinse it out though, I am going to use the conditioner also from this line. I use this conditioner and another conditioner. I will insert a picture because I don't remember it, but it is also Carol's Daughter. But I do use a lot and they both have really great slip, so it does help with the detangling process. I do finger detangle before I go in with the brush. I don't know why, it just kind of helps a little bit. I guess it makes it easier on my end. But I do use this Tangle Teaser brush. I really recommend this brush because it is pain-free. Like, as you can see, I am kind of aggressive, but that's because it doesn't hurt. And I'm really making sure I go from end to the roots of my hair and just making sure I get all the knots and tangles out, because I don't want to have to go through that while I'm doing my wash and go. It just takes up time and it's much easier to handle everything while I'm in the shower and while I'm washing it. Once I rinse out my hair though, little dance break, hey, get it girl. I'm just checking to make sure, like, remember I was really scared of heat damage, so I'm coming up close to see what my hair looks like. I was still a little scared. As you can see, it's not, like, I got a straight piece in the front, like, it's not doing it. But, yeah, we're just gonna rinse out my hair. Also, pro tip, don't clog your shower with hair. Rub your hair together in your hands and slap it on the wall, just like I did. And don't let it all go down the drain. But I'm rinsing out my hair now, and then I'm going to apply the deep conditioner. But wait, look how much hair I lost. Oh, I guess that's not really hair loss. That's just dead hair that was dead and needed to come out. That looks gross. Anyways, I used the deep conditioner by the same line, and I really drench my hair in this product. Like, I make sure every strand, ends, roots, ins and out is covered in this product. And then I'm just going to put a shower cap on and we're going to get ready to deep condition, sit under the hair dryer and let it marinate, okay? We need as much moisture as we can get.
Okay, so now that my hair is washed and clean, now I'm going to sit under this dryer. What is this? I'm going to sit on this, it's like a dryer. Not a dryer, I'm sorry. It's for like deep conditioning. It's just like adds extra heat. So I'm about to use this for like 30 minutes. And then we got to style. It's already 4:30. I'm probably not gonna be done till like 7 o'clock. That's why I don't like doing my hair, because it's an all-day process. But yeah, I'm gonna use this. So let me put it in. Okay, so I washed out my hair. Now for the moment of truth. We're gonna see, do I have heat damage? Because if I do, I'm not wasting my time doing a wash and go. Oh my gosh, I'm like scared. Hold on. Do I have heat damage? I can't really tell. Like, yes and no. Like, I don't know if you can see, but like this one piece right here is literally straight at the root. Why would they do that to me? Why would they do that? And then like these pieces in the front, kind of straight in the ends. That's crazy. That's really crazy. You know that? Do you know that? That's crazy. My hair grew a lot though, like a lot. I don't think I had this much hair last time I wore it out. Like, them pieces is straight, y'all. Like, it's not even curls or coils, whatever you want to call it. It's just a fro. I have some straight pieces in here as well. Wow, the Dominican salon really played me. That's crazy. Well, I'm still gonna try a wash and go, see how it comes out. And yeah, let me just at least give it a try. I don't know what kind of part I want to do. I think I'm gonna do a side part over here. Yeah, get into it. Yeah, so I'm not gonna, this is not like a tutorial, so I'm just gonna show you the products. I'm gonna use this for a leave-in conditioner. This is the, oh yeah, hello, please focus. This camera is the worst when it comes to focusing. Okay, so this is the leave-in conditioner I'm gonna use. And then I'm gonna use my Camille Rose Curl Maker to get that definition. I have 2 bottles, even though I feel like I should have another one that's like completely full, but I can't find it. And then to top it off, I'm gonna use some extreme gel just for like extra hold. So I'm just gonna speed through this, so I'm not trying to be here all night. It's already 5 o'clock. So yeah.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, just on conduct, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer, all summer.
Ooh. I have such nasty heat damage right here. I don't know if you can see, but like, you see how it's like, I don't know, but like these pieces right here, and they're not really curling. I'm trying to finger coil them. But look at this side. Look how curly, coil, nice and tight, and then boom, These little stringy pieces. Come on. Come on. I can't catch that break. You can even see the difference right here. Nice tight coils, stringy curls. I'm so sorry I had to do that to you. Ow, 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 ow. That's kind of gross because I know it's not gonna look nice in the morning. Like when it dries, it's gonna be frizzy right there. That's annoying. I can't believe I let that happen. But I really needed to get my hair done that day. And now I have to pay. But I'm done styling. It only took me an hour. I thought I was gonna be here for like maybe an hour and a half. But I'm gonna let this air dry and then we'll see the results when I come back. I'm gonna get me some food because I'm hungry. And I'll see y'all once it's dry. Would you believe that I finished my hair at 7 o'clock? No, like 6 o'clock. I finished my hair at 6 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. And it's still not fully dry. Like it's dry enough, but my roots are definitely still wet. My roots always take the longest, but as you can see, like I do have some definition for the most part. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like. It's not gonna be like big and like have a lot of volume, obviously, because it is day 1 technically. So if my hair lasts until like day 3, day 2, I will take a video for you guys and show you what it looks like. But really the point of me doing my hair was just to see what my hair was looking like, because again, I haven't styled it like this since January, so I'm not sure. Like, and especially now I have this damage in the front. Like look at these stringy pieces. That's so crazy. Like that happened after my second time straightening my hair. But yeah, my hair looks good. Like throughout the week I'll definitely like show a video or like insert some pictures of how it looks, because I don't remember my hair lasting for like more than 3 days since the last time I was doing wash and go. So yeah, especially like going to the gym and everything, it doesn't help. But enough chitter chatter. It is 12 o'clock. I need to go to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I just wanted to see what my hair looked like. So sorry if the results weren't as pleasing, but the definition is there. Like all I gotta do is put some oil on it to break this gel cast that I have going on. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you again for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.